Today, I will show you how to use simple moving average lines on TradingView. If you aren't a TradingView user already, you can use my affiliate link in the description to sign up for a free account. The most commonly used simple moving average lines that traders use are the 250-day simple moving average lines, also known as SMA lines. Simple moving average lines are commonly used on the daily time frame to identify key support and resistance levels. SMA lines differ from exponential moving average lines, which are mostly used by day traders, since EMA lines put more weight on recent price data. To add SMA lines to your TradingView chart, simply click on Indicators at the top left. Next, type Simple into the search bar, and you will see Moving Average Simple appear. You can click on it to add an SMA line to your chart, and I will click it twice since I want to add the 250-period moving average to my chart. Next, close out the indicator window and hover over the SMA indicator name at the top left and click on the gear icon. From here, you can change the length, color, and other settings to your liking. I am going to make this first line the 50-period SMA line, so under Inputs, I will change the length to 50, and then I will make it yellow by clicking on Style and picking a yellow color. Next, I am going to customize the second SMA line. I added to make it the 200-period SMA line. I will do this by clicking on the gear icon and setting the length to 200 under Inputs. Then I will make this line purple under Style. When you are on the daily time frame, these SMA lines are known as the 50 and 200-day moving averages. For example, the 50-day moving average is the average closing price of the last 50 days. However, if I switch to the 5-minute chart, the lines will change to match the time frame and essentially become the average closing price of the last 50 5-minute periods. That will do it for this video. I hope it was useful. Remember, you can sign up for a free TradingView account using my affiliate link in the description below, and you can usually get a free trial of the premium features as well.